Hello everyone, welcome to the first tutorial about step-by-step guide to how to create a automation framework using all the open source softwares. So we'll be creating a testing framework, okay, and the build tool we'll be using is Maven. The programming language will be used as Java, and we'll be also using a BDD library Cucumber, and Serenity. Okay, so most of you are completely aware about the Selenium, right? But that's the basic thing, and this Serenity is written on top of that Selenium. It's an library. Okay, so whoever has a basic knowledge of Selenium can use it. Okay, and for the integrated development environment, we'll be using IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so these are all open source. You can download it through on internet, and you can use it very quickly. Yeah, apart from that, so to push our code, okay, we'll be using open source repository again. So that will be the Bitbucket. Okay, and the version control system will be using as Git. Okay, yeah, and I personally feel like using the bash command all the time is kind of difficult, but it could be pretty easy for some other people as well. But to get it going, as of now we'll be using the source tree at first, because this is a very beautiful GUI, and you do not have to remember any of the git command regarding that. And finally what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a job, okay, on the Jenkins server, and we'll be trying to execute the job through Jenkins, and then we'll see the report. The main thing, we are using the Serenity because we do not have to depend on any other any other libraries or tool to generate the report. For example, you might have heard of Alio reporting or extend reporting, so we'll not be using that anymore. And one more thing is it can be a you know uh, live document. We can use it for to show to anyone, like any of your business stakeholder, and that will be easy to understand. Okay, so I have experience in TDD, then I also have experience in BDD, but I prefer it much because it's easy for everyone to understand, and it really makes us easy to write the acceptance tests very easily. Okay, so in the next tutorials I'll be explaining bit by bit about all this parts that I have kept it here. For example, I'll be starting with the Git and how it works, and then I'll be explaining something about the Bitbucket, then source tree, and using the IntelliJ IDEA, I will be writing a code. Okay, so that in the end of this tutorial, it will be easy for anyone who has a basic knowledge of software testing and automation testing to build a complete framework. Okay, all right, see you later then.